Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss lesson 9 cloud computing exercise. So let's start this video. Fill in the blanks. Question number first, a dash cloud is a combination of both private and public cloud. You feel here hybrid. Here given the hint hybrid. A hybrid cloud is a combination of both private and public cloud. Question number 2. Microsoft renamed SkyDrive as Dash on January 27, 2014. Microsoft renamed SkyDrive as OneDrive. You feel here OneDrive. So Microsoft renamed SkyDrive as OneDrive on January 27, 2014. Third question, OneDrive is available as a built-in app on Dash. OneDrive is available as a built-in app on Windows 10. You feel Windows 10. Question number 4, Dash is already integrated in OneDrive and can be accessed directly from it. You feel Skype. Skype is already integrated in OneDrive and can be accessed directly from it. Question number 5. Dash is the free program from the Dash that is used to organize, edit and share the digital photograph online. You feel Picasa and Google. Here the Picasa and Google. Picasa is a free program from Google that is used to organize, edit and share the digital photographs online. Next one, the straight true or false. Question number first, a private cloud provisions from open used by the general public. A private cloud provision for open use for the general public. Yes, this statement is false. Not the general public. Question number second, in a cloud computing, a consumer has to pay a fixed amount even if the cloud services are not being used. This statement is true. Question number 3, cloud computing provide reliable recovery mechanisms to deal with failures. Yes, this statement is true. Cloud computing provide a reliable recovery mechanism to deal with failure. Means if you any error, then you can recover your data. Question number 4. By default, OneDrive displays the files and folder in the form of thumbnail. By default, OneDrive displays the files and folder in the form of thumbnail. This statement is false. Question number 5. OneDrive allows multiple people to work together on the same document at the same time. OneDrive allows multiple people to work together on the same document at the same time. Yes, this statement is true. Question number 6. Picasa is used to edit photo by making changes in their original copies. This statement is true. Yes, Picasa is a software. Through this software, easy way to edit our photos and modify it. So this statement is true. Next one, see application based question. Question number first, Sonali instructor has explained hers about on of the features of cloud computing which allow the consumers to transparently scale up or scale down the resources according to their computing needs. Can you suggest which feature she is talking about? She is talking about rapid elasticity. Rapid elasticity. Question number 2. Rohan wants to upgrade his storage plan of OneDrive. Rohan wants to upgrade his storage plan of OneDrive. Which button can be he make use of the accomplish the task? Rohan wants to upgrade his storage plan of OneDrive. Which button can he make use for accomplish this task? OneDrive setting. Rohan use OneDrive setting to upgrade his storage plan. D. Multiple choice questions. Question number first. Resources are centralized amongst the various branches of an organization in a dash cloud. Option A public, option B private, option C hybrid. The correct option B private. Resources are centralized amongst the various branches of organization in a private cloud. Question number second. Which of the following applications provide storage services on the cloud? Which of the following applications provide storage services on the cloud? Option A OneDrive, option B Windows Picture Manager, option C Skype. Correct option A OneDrive. Question number 3. Name the option in OneDrive that allow you to share your file through a link. Name the option in OneDrive that allow you to share your file from a link. Option A create a hyperlink, option B get a link, option C send a link. The correct option B get a link. Question number 4. Which amongst the following is not a characteristic of cloud computing? Which amongst the following is not a characteristic of cloud computing? Option A rigidity, option B measured service, option C resource pooling. The correct option A rigidity. Question number 5. Picasa provides dash free online storage space to store photo. Option A 5 GB, option B 15 GB, option C 1 GB. The correct option A 5 GB. Picasa provides 5 GB free online storage space to store photo, and after that if you want then you can purchase more storage, but why free of cost? Picasa provides 5 GB free online storage space to store photo. Hopefully all students understands exercise of this video. If you face any problem, contact my personal number and WhatsApp. Each and every student write on your copy and learn them. Thank you.